Hey everyone! Today, We is bringing you a review of the Luckyminer LV07 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 0.35 kilograms and gross weight about 0.96 kilograms. Luckyminer LV07 supports SHA-256D algorithm and can mine up to 42 cryptocurrencies, including BTC, BCH, BSV, DGB, and so on. Applicable to a variety of mining modes, such as solo, PPLNS, PPS, prop, which can meet the diverse needs of different miners. Arithmetic power 1Th/s, power is only 28 watt, the power consumption of the whole month is only 0.67 degrees. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 1Th/s, the power consumption is approximately 34 watt, and the noise level is around 36 decibels. How to set up the miner to make it work properly. Power on the miner, connect to the miner's LAN, and you can jump to the miner's backend. Enter the mining machine settings, fill in the network account and password, mining address, miner name, save. How to get the mining address, open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is DGB, scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Luckyminer LV07 does not have the high arithmetic power of other BTC air-cooled miners, and its advantage in mining is the variety of mining modes, which makes the mining returns have a certain probability of being much higher than the average, and luck is the charm of this miner. Luckyminer LV07 is LV06 upgraded model. The key parameters have been greatly upgraded. First of all, the arithmetic power has been greatly increased to 1T, but the power consumption is almost unchanged. The appearance is more beautiful, and at the same time, the antenna has been changed to a built-in antenna. The following is a detailed comparison of the key parameters. Summary: Luckyminer LV07 is a small, safe, and portable cryptocurrency miner designed for personal and family mining. With its innovative mining lotto concept, low energy consumption design, easy operation and generous reward mechanism, Luckyminer brings a new mining experience to miners. Although the chances of winning are low, the rewards will be very lucrative once you win. By miner to We. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of We.